Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, folks. We've got a Santa Maria grill here for y'all today from my man Joseph on the off-road package, all loaded up. Let's check it out. So this is our 60 by 24 Santa Maria grill, all right? She's got some upgrades on her. First off, we got copper accents. That's because he also got a Copperhead 60 offset smoker. Y'all go check out the video on that as well. So we got copper accents. He also upgraded to a stainless steel grate in this rig. First time we've done a stainless steel grate on the Santa Maria grill. Looks great. Still our same construction. Angle iron on the top, 1-inch tube steel frame. We got built-in grease drains front and back. That's how we take advantage of those angle irons. We got drains, set a little cup underneath them, catches all the grease. We got double doors up front here to tend your fire. Now this is all 1/4-inch plate steel, guys. We got a little fabricated wood basket down there as well. On the off-road package, some sick upgraded wheels and tires from our guys' mods down in Texas. D-ring tie downs on all 4 corners. So guys, that's Joseph's Santa Maria grill. Y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call. TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.